Hi everybody, thank you for watching my videos. I am 45 years old. I live in the Bronx, New York, and I love my job. I love my life mostly, because I'm welder. All my dreams is try to burn negative and positive and multi-metal. It's easy when you like it. It's the top and the metal as well. When you learn welder, it's like my life. I love it to do that. So this is how Welding 72 in the Bronx, New York. And I say, if you want to learn welder, really you need to go to school for a couple hours, and you need to open the books to update it all the time how welding, and you need practice. And you need to make tests and focus your tests to pass the tests to get a better results. And better results, always you happy, always you doing the best well. And mostly when you work or you focus to learn, it's not work, it's made. Don't thinking about it's hard or hard to make. It's never be hard to make. Always is and focus, to love it, feel it. And you love it, you feel it, you think about it, everything coming nice and good. And also right and time. Because it's important when you learn something to try to keep right in time. And more time, in meantime, you can learn more. Because you do it the right time, and you keep learning to how to do the best. It's easy when you love it. Remember again, my life is good because I like what I do. I love it. I love welding. I love to do a lot of things, but mostly focus to be a welder. I weld and TIG. I weld and stick. Mostly in these years, I weld and stick and TIG. Long time ago, I welded stick and MIG. But I keep learning more because I love it. And now, thank you for this company. I work for good place. I make pipes connection. I make joint connection, nozzle pipe, support, connection nipples, reduction. I love it to do 2 degree, 5 degree, and 10 degree. And also, I need to learn more things, more calculation and the math, length, dimension, and I do fit up. But the really right now show you that this is how Welding 72 welding in the Bronx, New York. Thank you very much for watching my video, and God bless every welder. Every welder is burning negative positive to put a 100 amperes or 160 amperes to make 3/8 thickness. That's what I need at this time to keep what they need of the wall. Remember, welcome to be a welder. I love to be a welder, and invitation a lot of people, women or men, to learn this technology. This technology, welding technology, is the best for my life. If you like to be more put negative and positive together and melt in the metal, remember, make the fire, make it strong, make it heat, or make melting metal. Melted metals make it good weld and a strong weld. So welcome to be thick weld. And I say hi everybody. I say hi to Mr. Thick. I watching his videos all the time. Yeah, I love it, Mr. Thick. He's the best welder in New York. Welcome everybody. I say hi to Europe, China, Korea, Canada, Mexico, and everywhere. Welder is melted metals. This is Welding 72 Thank you very much for watching my video. I love it, everybody. Welcome. Be a welder. Thick welder. Falkland 72, Bronx, New York. 5-star is the best in the world. Thank you very much for watching my video again. So I love it, everybody.